My Italian childhood relived in a donut. What's up guys, David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in the Wynwood Arts District in my hometown of Miami. Today I'm going to take you around the area and show you the most delicious decadent desserts. There's donuts, ice cream, and popsicles. Oh, I cannot wait. Gotta come here with an empty stomach. So our first stop today is the Salty Donut, Miami's first gourmet donut shop. They have artisanal donuts and coffee, very unique donuts. Every donut is different. They have the birthday Corona, they have the pie donut. I can't wait to try some of these donuts. They're located here in the Wynwood Arcade and they're open Tuesday through Sunday until they sell out. Let's go inside and try some donuts. So there's usually a line here. Right now, pretty calm. It's right after lunch, it's around 1 p.m.
Oh my gosh, Nutella.
Nutella, are you gonna get that?
It looks good.
I think I'm gonna go with white chocolate with leches. Maybe also Guava and Cheese, that looks good.
Strawberries and cream, passion fruit and coconut, white chocolate, tres leches, maple bacon, Guava and Cheese, and Nutella.
For me, the Nutella one looks the best of everything. I mean, the maple and bacon looks amazing too.
This one's new, so I'm excited to try it.
The white chocolate tres leches?
Yeah.
It's fire. How you doing?
What's up, man? How are you?
Very good.
Oh man, no question about it.
No problem, thank you. Let's go.
So excited.
So instead of sitting inside the restaurant, we came here inside the arcade. There's some seating, as you can see. It's like a little stairway, but it's made to sit down and eat.
I'm going to try this one, which I've never had before. They're so big. This is the maple bacon.
Maple bacon. Mmm. It's like a glazed donut with bacon or like syrup on top. Oh my god. That was amazing. Alright, so this is what I came here for, the Nutella Doughnut. Look at that. This is chocolate heaven right here. So they put a lot of Nutella. I'd say like at least 3 spoons of Nutella. Covered it with some nuts. It's freaking delicious. One more bite, one more bite. And also it's filled with Nutella, as you can see right here. My Italian childhood relived in a donut.
What I love about these donuts, they're so huge. You could like share them. Definitely share them with a bunch of people. Let's try a piece of the Nutella one they said was so good. Oh my god. Is it bad that I only wanted the filling?
No, it's delicious.
It's so good.
The next one we're gonna eat is the Guava and Cheese.
There's a little Guava and Cheese pastelito.
Oh, is it? That's Miami right there. Okay, so the last one I'm gonna try is the passion fruit and coconut. This is one of their specialty donuts. That's ridiculous. So the donut has like a passion fruit custard inside, coconut flakes on top. This is just a glaze. This is the perfect tropical combination. Those are Miami's best donuts, no doubt. And now let's go to Miami's first hip hop ice cream shop. It's called Mr Kream. Let's head out. So here we have it, Mr Kream. It was started by a couple of DJs. They are Miami's first hip-hop ice cream shop.
You are...
David.
Oh, what's up, man?
How you doing?
Davidsbeenhere?
Davidsbeenhere, exactly. My wife, Anna.
Nice to meet you.
How's everything?
Great, man. What's going on? I'm Ari, aka DJ Effect, the founder and owner of Mr Kream Wynwood, and we are so happy that David has been here. He's gonna be here with us right now. All right, so here at Mr Kream, it's obviously an ice cream shop, but what we wanted to do was infuse the hip-hop culture with culinary culture. It's an old school hip-hop theme, so we wanted to create a place where like adults could come and appreciate the culture of hip-hop, but also the kids could be educated on where hip-hop came from. That's how we started naming our flavors after iconic artists like Strawberry Delight, named after Rapper's Delight. A Butterscotch Storch is named after a famous music producer by the name of Scott Storch. This is Egg Noggy Nog, named after Snoop Doggy Dogg. De La Guava, De La Soul, so on and so forth. So we wanted to be able to just give that hip-hop experience mixed with ice cream. That's what Mr Kream is. I think you should try our Belgian waffle, cinnamon toast crunch one. Two Live Blue, Granddaddy Perp, carrot cake.
Like Granddaddy Perp sounds good.
Yeah.
Cinnamon toast crunch waffle. You also have cookies and cream ice cream, a raspberry chocolate ice cream, and a carrot cake ice cream going on top of this.
So the waffle takes 2 minutes to cook. And as you can see, this place is a lot of graffiti, a lot of sick art here. And yeah, I can't wait to try some of this ice cream. We got Frank Ocean, Gucci lemonade, ice green tea, Mick Light, dog pound cake. Man, there's so many cool names. I'm cool like that. Granddaddy Perp. So here we have it, Cinnamon Toast Crunch Waffle Sundae with 3 different flavors on top. We have Fruity Pebbles,
Whipped cream,
hot fudge, and we have Oreo, a little bit of Oreo dust. Ready? Let's go. I would have to get this with. Oh my god.
with the ice cream, it's like the perfect combo.
I've never had a waffle with Cinnamon Toast Crunch like infused into it. Delicious. So this is Granddaddy Perp, this is 2 Light Blue, and this is 24K, which is carrot cake. So every single dessert here has a name associated to hip hop. I mean, I love this Granddaddy Perp.
See, I like all the
This one tastes like candy.
That one's out of control. I love carrot cake. Oh my god. So you definitely have to come here with a few people because 2 people can't handle this. I mean, this is a dessert and this is like a meal. My favorite is definitely the Granddaddy Perp ice cream. The frosted flakes give it a nice little twist. Dr. Brown's Black Cherry. So Ari, the owner, told me that this Dr. Brown Black Cherry soda inspired the Granddaddy Perp ice cream. Oh my god. Dude, this blew my mind right there. Digging for gold here. No.
This is Hooky Cake. It is chocolate chip, M&M pretzel, and then that's on the top and the bottom. The middle is a truffle chocolate brownie, and then it's got chocolate ganache and salted vanilla buttercream. Oh, you might have gotten a little bit of extra.
That's fine.
Is this a cookie and brownie together?
It's like 5 layers.
Slutty brownie?
Amazing.
This is so good.
My turn. This is probably one of the best cakes I've ever had in my life. It's like 5 different layers. Brownie, cookies, icing. Wow. Orgasm in mouth. So what do you think, babe?
We need to go on a diet immediately.
I love that cinnamon toast crunch in the waffle batter. That was out of control. So the last place we're going to is Cielito Artisan Pops. They make gourmet popsicles with ingredients you'd never expect. Let's go inside and talk to Cindy, the owner.
So the fancy pops are basically fancy because they have like stuff on it. Like this one, for example, has little pieces of brownie inside, which we make here. Like everything we do, we make it here in our back kitchen. So you know, this one has like a layer of cinnamon drops and marshmallows. So it's something more like pre-made already. That one, we recommend not dipping them or not put toppings on it because they're already good as they are. And for the regular pops, you can take them to the bar, you can dip them in chocolate, you can put toppings on it, and they are all really good.
So a unicorn pop, is that like a fancy pop or?
That one we call it a heavenly pop.
Okay.
And that means that it has like a little more than the fancy one. So it's like our top.
I definitely want one of the top.
So I'm going with the Matcha Latte. White chocolate.
That's white chocolate.
That's white chocolate.
And our chocolate is a single bean chocolate. That means that it's not mixed. So it's very pure. It's from Venezuela. It's very, very good quality.
Perfecto.
So, and the process is that you select 3 toppings and then we add the chocolate.
Peanut butter for sure. Let's go with the crushed cookies.
Maybe you can do marshmallows and we can torch them.
Let's do that.
Okay. This chocolate actually won the award for the best chocolate in the world in 2016.
Oh wow.
And then we add a little bit more of chocolate.
You have to, right?
And that's it.
Thank you so much.
Gracias.
Gracias.
No de nada.
Okay, so we have the matcha latte and
Heavenly.
Heavenly, because it's like a step up. It has like extra stuff on top.
A unicorn, so I couldn't resist.
So I got the matcha latte with peanut butter, Oreos, marshmallows that they torched it, and then award-winning white chocolate from Venezuela.
Oh my god.
This white chocolate is insane.
You want the ear?
Bro,
It's crema ice cream, so cream that separates from the milk.
oh my god.
And they made like a super light ice cream out of it, and they put it with sprinkles. It's really natural. It doesn't taste like too much, you know?
It's so delicious.
Fatness.
So it's like a matcha s'more. Bite from the side here. Froze my teeth.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're fat as hell.
You love it, huh? It's like 50 degrees right now, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it's amazing. So we had a lot of sweets today.
Donuts, a waffle sundae,
Waffle Sundae and
gourmet popsicles.
oh my god. But I popped. That was our lunch, by the way. We had no lunch, just sweets. So when you come to Wynwood, save room for dessert because there's so many decadent sweets that you have to try. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. And now it's time to eat salad for a week and go to the gym.